Bringing
walking
daylight
to the night.
Say hello.
Night.
Hello.
There's Rachel's picture from my phone.
Thank you.
We should say hi to Amy.
Yeah.
Who's Amy?
Let's go later. We're going to Yosemite Mold.
Oh, we have to explain using all the camera.
Okay.
Who's that?
Dude, my shoes look sick in this light. Look at that. Look at mine.
Mine's gay.
Let go. We're off
Let
to
go.
see the wizard.
The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Because of the wonderful things he does. Dun. Now, Kara, you do a jump.
Hold on, I'm fixing myself.
Come on. That was beautiful, guys. I just showed my ass.
Look at that moon.
The moon. The moon.
It's all
This is Kara. That's Kayla. Who just burped out her ass.
This is what we do.
This is how we do it. Oh, I say your tit. This is
tunes on.
yeah. My viewers probably hate watching my videos because this is a.
There's broken glass right there. I just slipped in it.
I was just all like, where? Let me see. Oh my god, it's everywhere.
I just slipped in that towel right there. I was skipping. And I was just like,
Here's another. I'm supposed to explain Yosemite Mold.
okay. Who's that?
Who? It's not a who. It's a it. It's a haunted it.
Oh, sweet.
Where I think satanic cults are going on. Look
God,
how
I want to go.
we found animal bones. Yeah, like sacrificed in a circle. I'll show you.
Oh my God, that sounds fun. Look at that moon. I mean,
Hey, you can see our shadow. Strike a pose. Okay. I go strike a pose. Bringing daylight to night. Was that beautiful? You didn't even see my jump.
we saw them, all three of them. There's a hump jump.
Yeah! The new Miley Cyrus. My feet hurt. That's Yosemite Mold. Look how creepy that looks in the picture. All you see is the moon. Of course the moon's right over it.
I know. Finger on the back?
Yeah. Wait, would this bother?
Maybe. Alright guys, we're gonna have to end this short.
Sorry.
Sorry guys.
Bye.